y'all. So I decided to build this little trap house, or this house that's like, I don't know. I don't know what it looks like. I don't know if it's okay, but this is what it is. Now, I just realized that I have to get the basement kit to have like the old stuff. But this is what I did without the basement kit. And so, yeah, so hey everybody, what's on the Scarlet's on my face on Republican to me, and sorry, I just wanted to get right into it. I wanted to make like a messy, not abandoned house, because I'm gonna put somebody there. And this is crazy. Just Love's parents live over here. And I decided to build a trap house next to them. They gonna be like, wait a minute, we gotta move, because I don't know what type of house this is. Why are we over here? So yeah, I didn't mean to do that. So that's Jessla and them house. So anyway, I'm at Jessla's mom house. So we're gonna put them there. Okay, so I'm gonna put Ezekiel and Aaliyah here. I'm just gonna do a tour, and it's not as messy or as what have you, but this is just my first house tour. Don't come for me, y'all. I'm not a builder. Okay, so I'm just gonna show the outside, but we're gonna go on the inside. Wait, hold on, y'all. Okay. All right, so first things first, y'all. I need to put lights here, okay? So right now, there's no lights here, but this is what it's looking like. So I think maybe if I should put some lights, but it makes the aesthetics a little bit more better, okay? All right, so here we go. All right, so we got the dingy counters. We got some cornflakes here. We got the Hawaiian rolls. We got the butter. We got the little stove here. We got some wrap snacks. We got some ketchup packs. We got some Patron. We got some hair stuff in the kitchen. We got some hot sauce, an old pot, some old Chinese food. We got an old, I don't know why it's paint there, but I guess they try to paint the stucco. The stucco walls look kind of good. Okay, well, I guess they trying, okay. And then we got the paper basket. We got a broken clipboard. We got the Drano, because the stuff that gets stuck or whatever. We have a McDonald's cup, and we have this. Oh, y'all, I think I'm doing pretty good with this camera thing. We got the old refrigerator. Oh, the pizza. Oh, the pizza going. Okay. All right. And then we got the old, we got an aluminum foil pan. We got all these bills. Pay my telephone bills. Okay. We got Heineken. I hope I'm not going too fast, y'all. Look. Oh my goodness. It looks nice and funny at the same time. We got some old plants. We got Pizza Hut. We got papers all over the place. We got wood floor. We got trash. It's like they tried to all right, what is it? Oh, we got a half-eaten pizza over here. Oh, it's not half-eaten, but it's a pizza on the floor. We got the girl's bag. We got cans. We got clothes. It's probably dirty. We got some weed. We got some hamburger and fries. The keys right here. We got a lighter, and then we got some VH tapes. We got a hookah. We got the Lay's potato chips. We got the Popeyes and everything. We got all the licks, okay, all the liquor. Got some cookies. We got a cigarette. Oh, condom. And then we got bottles, okay. If somebody got the munchies, we got some Star Mix here. We got some unopened boxes here. We got a gas can in here. What y'all trying to do? We got the cookout bag there. Okay. We got some rolled up newspaper. All right. So here we don't have no lights, but we will put some lights soon. Hopefully y'all can see it, but we got the washer and dryer. It's not looking too abandoned, so I won't even say abandoned. Let's just say like a messy house that needs to be, whatever. All right, let's go in this room. All right, so in this room we got the hookah going. Well, the fake bubble hookah, because I don't have basemental drugs, y'all. Okay, the walls are not finished. Okay, they are trying. As you saw, the paint on the floor. All right, you got the little bar here. We got the little card table going. All right, so this is like the little recreational room. Then we're gonna go into the bathroom, which is across the hall. As you guys can see, we got some water. I don't know, what is that? Oh, money. Got money strolled all over the place. Okay. All right, we're going into the bathroom. The bathroom is spacious, but it looks a little dank, if you will. Oh, what kind of mirror is that? Half eaten bread. Somebody eating bread in there. Okay. We got some makeup. Oh, they're using a dishwasher detergent. Okay. They're like, I don't care. We're going to use. Oh, got some wine in here. Come on now. Okay. Oh, what is that on the floor? What is that, y'all? Oh, I don't even know. Toilet paper. I don't even know what did I put on the floor. I don't even know what that is, y'all. Okay, we got the shower and the toilet. We got paper strolled all over. They didn't even bother to put the wallpaper, y'all. Okay, so we out the bathroom, y'all. We out the bathroom. I think I'm doing pretty good with this camera. Okay, we're going into the bedroom, y'all. In the bedroom, okay, into the bedroom. Boom. All right. All right, the bedroom, we have a blow-up bed, okay, with some green pillows. All right, and we got an air conditioner. We got her hair stuff. We got some clothes here. We got that, bags, okay. They living out of the, oh, what are they doing here? Okay, so we got some gloves. We got some licks here. We got a cigarette. Somebody smoking. We got M&Ms. All right, we got a sports thing. We got that there. Okay, the room don't look that bad. Okay, y'all, the room don't look that bad. All right. So now we're gonna go into this room. This is like the business room where Ezekiel is probably gonna do his transactions and stuff. Again, I don't have basemental drugs, so yeah. We just got some Polaroid pictures. We got some monies. We got papers, and we got some paint. Okay, because he's trying to paint, but he painted the floor basically instead. Okay, y'all. So yeah, okay. And then I should put another window. Oh no, I shouldn't. Okay. All right, let's go to the back, y'all. Okay, that's the fuse box. Now we're going towards the back. How am I doing with the camera? I think I'm doing pretty good. Okay, so this is the trap house. Okay, we got a vending machine. There's not much out here. I just did this kind of not in a rush, but I've been working on this for like, I don't know how many hours, 2 hours, and I'm tired. I'm gonna play, so I'm gonna move them into here. I wonder how much this house is gonna cost. So we got that. We got a couch outside, and then we got just random stuff that's not supposed to be out here. Okay, so that's just it, y'all. Okay, and we are done. On over here is Jesla mom's house. So they're like, so this house it isn't too bad, if you will, but they need to clean up and stuff like that. But if you wanted to make this house nice and stuff like that, you could, but for the most part, nah. So yeah, so we got the big back TV, as you guys can see. So yeah, so I think I did decent. I guess it's okay. But when I get the basement kit, I'm going to improve it. So this is what I have at the moment. So I hope it's okay for like a messy like trap house, if you will, I guess. So yeah, so I'm gonna have Ezekiel and Aaliyah live here, and yeah, so that's basically it, y'all. So let me turn around and back up out of here. I'll put some lights, probably some wall lights out here, but that's what it is. So that is the house tour of Ezekiel and Aaliyah's house. Oh, I didn't realize the chairs look like that. Okay, so yeah, okay, so those are the chairs. It's the porch here. Okay, so yeah, and that's the garbage. They got some tires. They got a cart outside. They got a dumpster. So got the garbage out here. So yeah, and I meant to get the tool mod so I could put some cars on, off the grid. But yeah, and they got some boxes over here that piled up. Okay, so that's it. Beware of dog, but they don't got no dog. Okay, all right. So that's it. So that's the little trap house. It's not too bad, but it's pretty, like, you know, I don't know, I want to say sophisticated. But yeah, so I tried my best, y'all. I don't know, again, I'm not a builder, so please don't judge me, don't come for me. So that's just it. This is the first time, and again, I'm not a builder, so yeah, so we'll see when I put my Sims in here. I hope I got all the essentials that they need, so when they do come in here and stuff like that. I just need to put some lights here because I need to see where they're going and stuff like that. So I do have to put a thing, so if they start a fire or whatever the case is, you know, it'll be able to catch it. So that's the only thing there. And then I probably have to, well, the lighting, that's fine. It does look a little dark, but I think that's the point. But I'll probably put another light like over here or something like that, or I'll put another window right here, but I can still do it. Let me see. All right, so we're gonna put another window here. We're just gonna copy this flat window here, and we're just gonna put it, right here. Okay, and then we're going to put the not the alarm, but you know what I'm trying to say, the what is it, yeah, the smoke detector, so just in case, you know, so you can never be too sure with this stuff. So yeah, and we're gonna put a whatchamacallit in here as well. Oh, well, no, a fan. We're gonna put a fan because that does the thermostat. So let's see, put another fan somewhere. Where can we put it, y'all? Oh, over here in the corner. Yeah, we put it over here in the corner. Okay, so got it like that, so they can just click on this, and then, you know, so all right, so that's about it. Oh, what's this? Okay, let me see. Nah, that's okay. I think we Gucci pretty much. And if I want to just put a thing here, we could just do that. Nah, that's good. All right, so what's this? Paper towel. Okay. All right, y'all, that's it. I hope y'all enjoy. I'll put some lights here. I'll do that off camera. So I hope y'all enjoyed. I hope y'all liked it. And I'll finish everything once I get basemental. Not basemental. I keep saying basemental. When I get the basement kit, and then I'll be able to do a little bit more damage. Like put like the mattress here or something, because I saw a mattress there and stuff like that. So yeah. So that's it, y'all. So I like that this truck back here is like turned. That's what's up. So yeah, y'all, hope y'all enjoyed. I'm probably gonna put a window right here for them so they can look out the back, because they got a window here. Okay. All right, y'all, so that's it. That's my little messy trap house. So Ezekiel and Leah is gonna live here. All right, you guys, so that's it. I am out of here. I'll talk to you guys later. Have a blessed and wonderful day. Let me see what traits should I put here. I don't know. I'm probably not gonna put no traits here. It's okay. Yeah, we good. Okay. All right, I was going to put a ring thing because I can't hear when they knock on the door. I know it's a trap house, but we need this. Yeah, okay. All right, so I told you guys I had to turn the music down because it was too loud. But that's it. I am done. I'll talk to you guys later. And that is my house. Did you like it? Do you guys like it? Don't judge me. I tried. I really, really tried. So I know I could do better, but that's all I could do at the moment. I was on this house for like 2 to 3 hours. So it's 3:00 now. Oh boy. But yeah, so let me just play these Sims and I will talk to you guys later. I don't know how much this costs. Oh, duh. Oh, 41,000. That's not bad. All right, so I'm gonna get their money up at that house, and then they're gonna move into here. Okay, you guys, and I will show you them and I'll play them. Okay. All right, see you guys later. Peace. Bye.